Saan ba cellphone mo? Ikaw ba yun?
So yun.
Alam mo ba may bago akong na-discover na bagong messaging app? At, at game changer to. Ipupush to talk mo lang siya, tapos automatic nagpi-play yung voice message. Oh. Hello, Ate Jess.
Hello, Ate Jess!
Diba?
Galing. Push to talk lang siya.
Kaya bakit nag-iba-iba yung ano?
Yung boses. Kasi meron siyang voice filter. And ito pa pinakamaganda dyan. Ganda ng emoji features nila. Try natin yung emojis nila. Ayan, pwedeng kiss. Oh, automatic na re-receive mo. Oh, diba?
May sound yung isa.
Sobrang cool.
Sige nga, galing na.
Kaya kung gusto niyo mag-level up sa usapan, download Buzz App now. Importanteng maging connected through voice. Kaya, let's chika through Buzz!